This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Chrome is up to date and your Google account is signed in so sync can begin. Open Settings and go to About Chrome to let updates install. Once done, relaunch. Then click the profile icon and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure Chrome shows your email at the top of settings. This verifies the browser recognizes your identity and is ready to request sync activation. Next, enable sync and choose what to share across devices so you control data flow. Navigate to Settings, open Sync and Google Services, then click Manage Sync. Toggle either Sync Everything or pick items like bookmarks, history, and passwords. Once selected, decide Encryption. Use your Google account for convenience or a custom passphrase for added privacy. This affects how your data is protected on Google servers, so pick what matches your security needs and click Save or Confirm. Finish by verifying sync is actively syncing and resolving common issues quickly. Check the profile icon for the SyncOn badge and view sync settings to see last sync time, then open another signed-in device to confirm bookmarks or passwords appear. If sync didn't start, sign out and sign back in, restart Chrome, or clear cache to remove transient errors. If problems persist, reset sync from your Google account's dashboard to reinitialize sync data. This often fixes stubborn inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.